Hey guys, it's your favorite girl Alicia Handles It, and I'm back with another video. And in this video today, guys, a model came through. She wanted a little quick pixie cut, so I said, let me just do this because I know I promised you guys a cutting class, but that's coming up next. So in this video, I'm just giving her a short, quick weave pixie cut for her, just, for her daily, whatever, going to work. And if you're interested in learning how to do a quick weave, I have tons of videos on my channel where I show you step by step for beginners how to do a quick weave, how to close it up, and all of that good stuff. So don't worry, this is just, a model cam. I love to use my Salon Pro glue, 30-second. It's way better than the regular one, guys. So if you have this at your local beauty store, I suggest you get it because trust me, they have it on Amazon too. So the big bottle, I think it's on Amazon for like 11 bucks. That's a good price because in the beauty supply, I think it's around the same price, if not a little bit more. So copy one on Amazon, guys. It really glues really fast. And guys, my storefront will be up soon on my channel. I just set it up and I will have the link to my Shopify store, Alicia Handles Beauty, where you guys will be able to buy my jewelry and my wigs and whatever stuff that I like to sell and I want you guys to have access to. So look out for Alicia Handles Beauty link on my channel shortly, guys.
Bride's home is a large territory sprawling over
I like to make the glue tacky, guys. Once I apply it, I like to dry it with the dryer sometimes so it doesn't spread out. And of course, at the top, one of the tracks are split and the other is not. And as I said earlier, guys, if you want to know and learn how to close up your quick weave, I have a lot of tutorials and how-tos on how to close it up, guys. So worry not, just go back through my videos and you'll find plenty of content on that stuff. So now it's time for cutting, guys. So I'm just cutting it down, guys, and yeah, so me and my clients, we be yapping a lot. So that's why I do a lot of voiceovers because the stuff we be talking about is just crazy sometimes. So I don't want to get, YouTube knock my videos down because of stuff we say or whatever. So that's why I do voiceovers a lot. So I'll try to get, like some more PG conversations going on, and I'm going to start going live soon and have you guys, in on it with me. Yeah. So the hair that I'm using is Saga. It's a nice Remy. The quality of the hair is nice, but I don't know. It was something about this one. It was okay, but it had like a real I want to say like a real stiff feeling to it, like, and I've used this here a lot of times before and it never felt that way, so I don't know what was the issue. And I noticed that when I was gluing it, that it was, it was being difficult, and I never really realized that before with using Saga. So I don't know what these companies are doing, but usually I would give this here like a 8.5, 9 out of 10, but I'm gonna give it really like a 6.5 today, because it really was like, and I'd even tell my model, she actually said that it felt a little bit thicker to her, and I felt that it was kind of stringy, so I don't know, but either way, I'm going to handle it and let it work, right? And that's exactly what we did. So you guys just keep watching. You guys just keep watching. Make sure you're subscribed. Hit the like button. Leave a comment if you have any questions that you want me to handle for you guys. And yeah, make sure that you're subscribed, guys, because a lot of you guys aren't. All right. So right here, I'm using my HINSN hair clipper from Amazon. I love it, guys. You charge it and it stays charged so long, so you don't have to worry about while you're using it that it goes dead. I love this charger. So I think you guys should invest in this. Like I told you guys earlier, I'm going to have my Amazon storefront linked in my description starting soon. And I have my Shopify coming soon. Alicia Handles Beauty. So you guys stay tuned, and the giveaways are coming soon. Everything is going to happen, guys. Just be patient with me and share up the video and like it up, and get me out there and get me out there in the algorithms, guys. Come on, y'all know what it is. This is YouTube. Let's do it. So guys, as you probably can see, I started out using my flat iron, but like I said, this hair was just acting up. So I broke out the Marcel irons because they will never let you down. Okay. So let me know in the description, in the comment section, if you guys want a class on how to use Marcel's, like just a particular specific video on just how to use Marcel's really quick. You know, nothing too long, maybe an 8 to 10 minute video. As you guys can see, we just keep yapping. You guys are probably wondering what we talk about. We talk about a lot of current events, what we see on the news, what we see on, pop culture, what's going on in the world, all the, all the stuff. So that's why I do a lot of voiceovers. So we're going to find out a way to incorporate you guys in the conversations really soon. I hope my handlers enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. It's going to be cutting class, I hope, because I keep saying I'm going to do one video and then it turns into another one. But you guys just bear with me. I'm just trying to show you guys everything. And make sure, like I said before, hit the subscribe button. Make sure you're liked on this video. Make sure you're liked. But make sure you like the video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Mwah!